Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use DeepSeek's R1 model for free online. So let's get started. So first thing, just Google DeepSeek. You'll be getting the link over here. Click that and make sure that you are signing in over here. So if you scroll down, we'll be having the benchmark comparison between DeepSeek, Claude, Llama and GPT-4o. So you can just go through it if you want, or else you can just click on this start now. And we'll be getting an chat interface quite similar to chat GPT. And if you want to use the R1 model, you need to just click on this. It will be highlighted and you can just ask a prompt. So here you can see I'm DeepSeek R1 and AI assistant independently developed by the Chinese company DeepSeek. So you can ask any questions to this with the R1 model now. I hope you would have found this video useful, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.